We often get these kind of comment, me and mathematicians in general, when we talk about some pure math topic. And you're missing the point. We don't study these topics because they have some application or because we have some application in mind, but just because they are beautiful. And we find them beautiful and fascinating, just like you might find nature and natural beauty beautiful. We find primes or geometric objects and properties of geometric objects like sphere packings just honestly really beautiful and fascinating, and we want to learn more about it. Just think about Hamlet, Shakespeare's Hamlet, or Cervantes's El Quixote. We don't need to have an application for everything. There are things that are just inherently beautiful, and we just want to enjoy those things, right? But in this particular case, also think that mathematics and science in general, advances in science and mathematics do not always come with an application in mind. We study pure math things, pure science things, and then later on we find applications. Think about prime numbers. Euclid, 2,000 years ago, was fascinated with prime numbers. He proved there are infinitely many prime numbers. No application there. Fermat, in the 1600s, was thinking about, can I find a formula to construct arbitrarily large prime numbers? No application in mind, or Fermat's little theorem. Well, all those things in the 20th century have found applications in cryptography. Fermat's little theorem has an application to RSA cryptography. Large primes have that application in cryptography and encryption that we use every day in your phones and to send messages. Sphere packings here we know has an incredibly useful application. Sphere packings in higher dimensions, in 8 dimensions, in higher dimensions, finding the best packings allow us to pack information and condense information in our phones and our devices and computers in the most efficient ways. So if you want to ask a good question to a mathematician, ask them, why do you find them fascinating? Why do you find them beautiful? Not what is the application of it. You'll get better answers from mathematicians.